Hello mga ka-OER! Ito po yung bago nating video about sending files using Facebook Messenger. Oh wait, okay, oops. Using a RAR and okay. Yan lang. Okay. But we're going to use another app or applications. Based on the previous tutorial, there are lots of comments. Ang dami pong nagtatanong, bakit daw po hindi na magamit yung mga apps na nirecommend ko? For example, yung share a file or application like Chathead, Messenger Lite. Hindi na daw po magagamit yun. Hindi na daw po makikita sa Google Play. Yes. Okay, yung share a file, wala na po yun. Hindi na po natin makikita sa Google Play. But then yung Chathead, Messenger Lite, medyo alanganin din. Okay, those are mga applications that I believe that really, shall I say, reliable. Okay? So that is why I do this video tutorial. Ngayon po, ang ating gagamitin po, take two. Ngayon po, ang gagamitin po natin ay ang application like RAR and then or print a file application. Ito po yung ginagamit ko talaga. Ito po yung mga applications na reliable on sending files using Facebook Messenger. Okay, ka-OER, let's start. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell in order for you to be notified.
Before you start this video tutorial, you must know what applications that need to install. First, WPS. We will download this applications just in case that you have outdated Office apps. But if you think it's updated, no need to download. Office applications like Google Docs, Sheets, or PowerPoint presentations. Second, Printer Share. This might not necessary application, but, in my case, after installing RAR, and tried to send file in Facebook Messenger, it doesn't work, not until when I installed this application. So, after installing RAR, and sending file, if it works, then no need to install this application. Third, and last application, RAR. This is the most essential application. You must download this application for this tutorial. Let me show you how to install these applications using Android cell phone.
How to install WPS just in case you have outdated Office. Kaya ang gagawin po natin una ay, of course, click Play Store. Then, same pa rin. After clicking Play Store, type niyo po rito WPS. Okay, so click Install. So yan po yung icon niya ng icon ng WPS. Okay, so that's it. Click open. Successful po. Okay, how to install Printer Share. Sa device ko kasi hindi siya nag-send ng Messenger nung wala itong apps na ito. Okay, click Play Store. So just in case na pag-install niyo na yung RAR tapos hindi nag-function, so iano niyo itong Printer Share, try niyo. Okay, type niyo lang diyan. Okay. Then click open. Okay, so that's it. Successfully installed. Okay, so how to install RAR? Papakita ko po sa inyo ngayon. First, okay, punta muna tayo sa Play Store. Click natin yung Play Store na icon. Then after that, okay, so pag nabuksan na, click po natin dito sa search box, type RAR. Okay, sinesearch niya pa. Okay, yan. So, pansinin niyo po yung icon ha. Ganyan po na RAR. Then, click install. Kasi may mga apps din na RAR, which is iba rin po. Okay, ni-install niya na. Napakabilis kasi pino-forward. Okay, and then click open. So, that's it. Successful na po. That is how to install RAR. Okay, allow lang po natin sa device. Now, let's send MP3, JPEG, and doc files. Okay. Scroll down lang po natin. Unahin natin yung MP3 po. Okay, ito. Build sound. Okay. We'll choose this MP3 file to send. And then click these 3 small dots in the upper right side, yung mga maliliit po. And then send natin. Click natin yung send. And then choose natin yung messenger. Okay. Just choose the receiver, so send natin. O yan yung mga receiver natin. Then click send. Okay, next, scroll down natin tong JPEG image. Click these 3 small dots. Okay, send. Again, messenger icon. Check. Click natin. Okay, send natin sa receiver. Hanapin ko lang. Okay, ito DTR. Piliin ko ito as a doc file po ito para i-send natin. Again, 3 small dots. Then click send. Then choose messenger po. Itong icon ng messenger. Okay, so again, the receiver, send natin. Now, let's check if these 3 files are being sent. So, tingnan natin. Okay, first, MP3 sent. Napadala natin. So, next, ang JPEG din, send din. Itong may mga check yan. Yan yung palatandaan na yan ay na-send na. Okay, doc file sent. Remember that it will be named or ka-share media po. So, ibig sabihin, yan po yung documents natin. So, let's try to play. Listen. Okay, successful naman. And then, try natin tong image. Click natin. Okay. Okay, yan o. Bubuksan naman natin. And then, try natin i-open yung document natin. Okay. Click natin tong download. And then, this will be downloaded in our devices. Okay, yes. Click natin download. Dina-download niyo po sa device natin. Pag mabuksan po ito, ibig sabihin successful. Okay, ito na. Yung DTR na sinasabi ko, success naman. Okay, so nabubuksan po natin. So, yun na po guys. Yes, it's all work. Napadala natin yung MP3, JPEG, at general doc. So, try daw i-send. Pakitry daw i-send yung video with small size po. Kung ma-send nyo ba. Okay. Okay? Comment lang kayo sa box kung success din po yung napadala niyo rin po yung video. That's all.
Sana po mga ka-OER ay may natutunan po tayo sa ating video tutorial ngayon. See you soon on my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.